Baton Rouge heat is no joke. When your air quits, you feel it fast. Doggone Good Heating and Cooling gets your comfort back, quick. Air conditioning acting up, heat not kicking on, or a heat pump struggling? We handle repairs, new installs, and regular tune-ups that prevent surprises. Need cleaner airflow? We fix duct issues and boost efficiency too. Homes, offices, and light commercial, we keep systems running right. For reliable comfort, call us today.